Good morning, everyone. I'm Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. Are you ready for some snow? We're not going to be dealing with it during the daytime today, but we are still on track to see a significant storm tonight and Thursday. We're all under a winter storm warning now, except for Block Island, the Cape, Martha's Vineyard, and Ted, where we are expecting less. So this is the latest snowfall accumulation map. Still looking at 8 to 12 for most of the area. A little more than a foot, though, possible northern Rhode Island. And then the biggest question is down along the coastline. That's why I have a little less there, where we could potentially see a little bit of mixing with some sleet or some rain for a time along the shore and up towards the Plymouth area and out to the Cape and Island, so lesser amounts there. If you've got errands to run today, you're traveling into work or school, no weather-related issues, just increasing clouds. It's cold, it's dry, the temperature is up to only around 30 today, and winds will start to pick up through the end of the day. So 8 o'clock in the evening, right around the arrival time, the first flakes of snow, it picks up in intensity as the night goes on, and travel will become more difficult. Notice the temperature is holding right around 30 degrees. Here comes that storm system up the coastline, bringing heavy snow to New York, parts of D.C., Philadelphia, and into much of New England. Even ski country going to get in on a little bit of the action on this storm now that it's going to be tracking a little bit closer. So you can see it passing to the south of us tomorrow morning. Brief mix or change to sleet and rain along the coastline, and then as it pulls away, we'll see snow and rain winding down. Let's get in close and show you the hour-by-hour forecast here. Those temperatures with the heavy snow tonight will make for difficult driving conditions, 1 to 2 inches per hour for the snowfall, and with the winds gusting, we're looking at near whiteout conditions. So 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, most of us right now we're thinking still seeing some snowfall, but right along the coastline, the temperature is warming up enough to maybe mix with or change over to some rain for a time. Temperatures will crash back down into the 20s tomorrow late morning and midday, and that could lead to a flash freeze in the areas along the coast. So the other concern for the coast are the winds, gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. That could lead to some isolated to scattered wind damage and power outages. Less of a concern the further inland that you go. It'll be a dry, fluffier snow further inland. So here's those storm impacts for tonight and Thursday. 8 to 12 inches of snow for most. Winds gusting 30 to 50 miles per hour with isolated damage and outages. Flash freeze tomorrow morning along the coastline. Minor coastal flooding in eastern Massachusetts at high tide. Here's that 3-day forecast. Very much a winter 3-day. 30 today, 31 with the snow in the morning, dropping to the 20s. Then Friday is cold and dry. You get the updated forecast right here on your homepage throughout the day today as we get new data in.